picture is worth 1,000 words. The booming market for machine vision is proof of that. Moore Electronic is a strong partner for machine vision installation solutions, whether in logistics or manufacturing processes. When it comes to power, data, and signal management, you can count on us. Our focus is on decentralized modules such as switches, signal or power distributors, which can be mounted and plugged in directly on the machine. In addition, we are offering as well the high-performance pre-assembled cables and connectors needed to connect those devices. This equals minimal installation effort and maximum performance for both new and existing machines and systems. Looks good, doesn't it?